Hi everyone! It's Saturday night. Happy weekend. Let's have another learn Ilocano video. Just a short video and let's learn how to say I said, he or she said, or they said. Let's start with I said, or in Tagalog, sabi ko. Sabi ko, I said, in Ilocano is Kunak. Kunak. Example, Napintas ka, Kunak. You're beautiful. What did you say? What did you say? Inya, kunam. Napintas ka, Kunak. Napintas ka, Kunak. I said, you're beautiful. Sabi ko, maganda ka. Or, maganda ka, sabi ko. Second one, Kunana. 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 Or, in Tagalog, sabi niya. English, he or she said. Example, napintas ka, Kunana. Napintas ka, Kunana. He said, you're beautiful. Let's have another example and let's have an intensified adjective. Nagrugit or dirty. And let's use nag to intensify the adjective. So let's have Nagrugit ti badom, Kunana. Ang dumi ng damit mo, sabi niya. Tagalog, ang dumi ng damit mo, sabi niya. He or she said, your clothes are so dirty. Nagrugit ti badom, Kunana. Last one, Kunada. Kunada. In English, they said. Sa Tagalog, sabi nila. Sabi nila. Example, let's have another example and let's say that they said that your dog is so big. Nagdakkel ti asom, Kunada. Dakkel, big, and we used nag to intensify the adjective. Nagdakkel ti asom, Kunada. They said your dog is so big. Nagdakkel ti asom, Kunada. Ang laki ng aso mo, sabi nila. Or sabi nila, ang laki ng aso mo. Nagdakkel ti asom, Kunada. They said your dog is so big. That's all for our quick Learn Ilocano video for tonight. See you again on the next video. And again, happy weekend. Bye!